In a world where time seems to leave its mark too soon, the quest for eternal youth echoes through the ages. Today, we embark on a journey to unveil the secrets of ageless beauty through the power of vitamins. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered what causes us to age prematurely, robbing us of our youthful glow? The answer lies in a combination of factors such as exposure to UV rays, poor lifestyle choices, and inadequate nutrition. Factors like sun damage, smoking, stress, and a poor diet can accelerate the aging process, leading to wrinkles, dull skin, and other visible signs of aging. But fear not, for nature has bestowed upon us a treasure trove of vitamins that can help turn back the hands of time. Let's delve into 8 essential vitamins that can work wonders for your skin, hair, and overall appearance. These vitamins are not just essential for your health, but can also make you look years younger. Number 1. Vitamin A, the skin savior. This plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin and promoting a youthful appearance. This essential vitamin is a powerhouse when it comes to skincare, known for its ability to stimulate cell turnover, reduce wrinkles, and boost collagen production. One of the key benefits of vitamin A is its role in promoting skin cell regeneration. By encouraging the turnover of skin cells, vitamin A helps to reveal fresher, younger-looking skin. This process can reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, giving your skin a smoother and more radiant complexion. Additionally, vitamin A is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the skin from environmental damage, such as UV radiation and pollution. By neutralizing free radicals that can cause premature aging, vitamin A helps maintain the skin's elasticity and firmness, keeping signs of aging at bay. You can find vitamin A in a variety of foods, with some of the richest sources being sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and liver. Including these foods in your diet can provide your body with the vitamin A it needs to support healthy skin function and fight the effects of aging from within. In addition to dietary sources, vitamin A is also a common ingredient in skincare products. Retinoids, a form of vitamin A, are widely used in topical treatments for their ability to improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and even out skin tone. Whether you're enjoying a delicious bowl of roasted sweet potatoes or incorporating a vitamin A-rich serum into your skincare routine, this essential vitamin can work wonders for your skin, helping you achieve a more youthful and vibrant complexion. Number 2. Vitamin C. Let's dive into the brightening hero of skincare, vitamin C. This essential nutrient is renowned for its powerful antioxidant properties that can work wonders for your skin, helping you achieve a radiant and youthful complexion. One of the key benefits of vitamin C is its ability to brighten the skin and fade dark spots. As an antioxidant, vitamin C helps to neutralize free radicals that can cause skin damage and lead to hyperpigmentation. By incorporating vitamin C into your skincare routine, you can promote a more even skin tone and reduce the appearance of age spots and sun damage. Vitamin C is also crucial for collagen production, a protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin. By stimulating collagen synthesis, vitamin C can help improve skin firmness and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This results in smoother, more supple skin that radiates a youthful glow. You can find vitamin C in a variety of fruits and vegetables, with citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits being excellent sources. Other vitamin C-rich foods include bell peppers, strawberries, and kiwi. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can boost your vitamin C intake and support your skin's health from the inside out. In addition to its benefits when consumed internally, vitamin C is also a popular ingredient in skincare products. Topical vitamin C serums are prized for their ability to brighten the skin, improve texture, and protect against environmental damage. When applied regularly, vitamin C serums can help you achieve a luminous complexion that defies age. Whether you're starting your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice or applying a vitamin C serum before bed, this essential nutrient can be a game changer for your skin. Number 3. Vitamin E, the moisturizing marvel of skincare. This essential vitamin is a powerhouse when it comes to nourishing and protecting your skin, helping you achieve a healthy and youthful complexion. Vitamin E is known for its moisturizing properties, making it a go-to ingredient for combating dryness and improving skin texture. By deeply hydrating the skin, vitamin E helps to restore moisture levels, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and supple. Regular use of vitamin E can help alleviate dry patches, roughness, and flakiness, giving your skin a radiant and healthy appearance. In addition to its moisturizing benefits, vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the skin from free radical damage. By neutralizing harmful free radicals that can accelerate aging and cause skin damage, vitamin E helps to maintain the skin's youthful appearance and prevent premature signs of aging. Incorporating vitamin E into your skincare routine can help shield your skin from environmental stressors and keep it looking healthy and vibrant. You can find vitamin E in a variety of foods, with some of the richest sources including almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, and spinach. By including these vitamin E-rich foods in your diet, you can support your skin's health from within and enhance its natural radiance. Vitamin E is also a popular ingredient in skincare products, valued for its ability to nourish and protect the skin. Vitamin E creams, oils, and serums are often used to soothe dry, irritated skin, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. Whether you're applying a vitamin E oil to your cuticles or using a vitamin E-infused moisturizer, this versatile nutrient can work wonders for your skin. Number 4. Vitamin B3, niacin. Let's delve into the skin-renewing benefits of vitamin B3, also known as niacin. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining skin health and has a range of benefits that can help you achieve a radiant and youthful complexion. One of the key benefits of vitamin B3 is its ability to improve the skin's barrier function. By enhancing the skin's natural barrier, vitamin B3 helps to lock in moisture, protect against environmental stressors, and prevent water loss. This can result in smoother, more hydrated skin that looks and feels healthy. Vitamin B3 is also known for its ability to reduce inflammation and soothe irritated skin. This can be particularly beneficial for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin, as vitamin B3 can help calm redness, minimize breakouts, and promote a clearer complexion. Regular use of vitamin B3 in skincare products can help improve the overall health and appearance of the skin. Another significant benefit of vitamin B3 is its role in promoting an even skin tone. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, is often used to fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and acne scars. By inhibiting the transfer of pigment to skin cells, vitamin B3 can help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of discoloration, giving you a more uniform complexion. You can find vitamin B3 in a variety of foods, including poultry, fish, peanuts, and mushrooms. Incorporating these vitamin B3-rich foods into your diet can help support your skin's health from within and provide the nutrients needed for a clear and glowing complexion. Number 5. Vitamin B5. Let's explore the skin-nourishing properties of vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid. This essential vitamin is a key player in skincare, offering a range of benefits that can help you achieve hydrated, healthy, and glowing skin. Vitamin B5 plays a vital role in maintaining skin moisture and promoting skin barrier function. By attracting and retaining water in the skin, vitamin B5 helps to hydrate and soften the skin, reducing dryness and improving elasticity. Incorporating vitamin B5 into your skincare routine can help create a protective barrier that locks in moisture and shields the skin from external irritants. One of the standout benefits of vitamin B5 is its ability to promote skin healing and repair. Pantothenic acid is involved in the synthesis of coenzyme A, a compound that plays a crucial role in cellular metabolism and the production of new skin cells. This means that vitamin B5 can help accelerate the skin's natural healing processes, making it beneficial for addressing issues such as wounds, cuts, and inflammation. Vitamin B5 is also known for its soothing properties, making it a valuable ingredient for calming irritated or sensitive skin. Whether you're dealing with redness, itching, or inflammation, vitamin B5 can help alleviate discomfort and restore balance to the skin. Including vitamin B5 in your skincare regimen can help promote a calmer, healthier complexion. You can find vitamin B5 in a variety of foods, including meat, eggs, whole grains, and avocados. By incorporating these vitamin B5-rich foods into your diet, you can support your skin's health from within and provide the essential nutrients needed for a radiant complexion. Number 6. Vitamin B7, biotin. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in supporting healthy skin, hair, and nails, offering a range of benefits that can help you achieve a radiant and vibrant appearance. Vitamin B7 is renowned for its role in promoting healthy hair growth and strength. Biotin is essential for the production of keratin, a protein that forms the structure of hair strands. By ensuring an adequate supply of biotin, you can support the growth of strong, lustrous hair and help prevent issues such as hair thinning and breakage. Including biotin-rich foods in your diet or taking biotin supplements can help you maintain healthy hair from the inside out. In addition to its benefits for hair health, vitamin B7 also plays a key role in maintaining healthy skin. Biotin is involved in the metabolism of fatty acids, which are essential for skin health and function. By supporting lipid production in the skin, vitamin B7 can help improve skin barrier function, retain moisture, and promote a smooth and supple complexion. Including biotin in your skincare routine can help enhance the overall health and appearance of your skin. Another notable benefit of vitamin B7 is its contribution to strong and healthy nails. Biotin deficiency is associated with brittle nails and nail breakage. By ensuring you have an adequate intake of biotin, you can help strengthen your nails, reduce brittleness, and promote nail growth. Whether you're consuming biotin-rich foods or using biotin-infused nail treatments, this vitamin can help you achieve beautiful, healthy nails. You can find vitamin B7 in a variety of foods, including eggs, nuts, seeds, and sweet potatoes. Incorporating these biotin-rich foods into your diet can help support your hair, skin, and nail health from within, providing the essential nutrients needed for a vibrant appearance. Number 7. Vitamin D. Let's dive into the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D, a crucial nutrient that goes beyond just bone health. Known for its role in calcium absorption and bone metabolism, vitamin D has a multitude of benefits that extend to immune function, mood regulation, and overall well-being. One of the primary functions of vitamin D is its role in supporting bone health. By aiding in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, vitamin D helps maintain strong bones and teeth. Sufficient vitamin D levels are essential for preventing conditions like osteoporosis and rickets, ensuring optimal bone density and strength. Beyond bone health, vitamin D plays a significant role in immune function. This vitamin is involved in modulating both the innate and adaptive immune responses, helping the body defend against infections and diseases. Adequate vitamin D levels have been linked to a reduced risk of respiratory infections, autoimmune disorders, and inflammatory conditions. Vitamin D also influences mood and mental health. Research suggests that vitamin D may play a role in regulating mood and combating conditions like depression and anxiety. Exposure to sunlight, a natural source of vitamin D, has been associated with improved mood and mental well-being, highlighting the importance of this nutrient for overall mental health. Sunlight is a primary source of vitamin D, as the skin produces this vitamin in response to UVB rays. However, vitamin D can also be obtained from certain foods, including fatty fish, fortified dairy products, eggs, and mushrooms. For individuals with limited sun exposure or inadequate dietary intake, vitamin D supplements can help maintain optimal levels of this essential nutrient. Number 8. Vitamin K. Let's explore the often overlooked yet essential nutrient vitamin K. Known for its role in blood clotting, vitamin K also plays a crucial part in bone health, cardiovascular function, and overall well-being. This vitamin exists in two primary forms, vitamin K1, phylloquinone, and vitamin K2, menaquinone, each with unique functions in the body. One of the primary functions of vitamin K is its role in blood clotting. Vitamin K is essential for the synthesis of clotting factors that help control bleeding and promote wound healing. Individuals with deficiencies in vitamin K may experience prolonged bleeding times and increased susceptibility to bruising and hemorrhage. Beyond its role in blood clotting, vitamin K is also important for bone health. Vitamin K plays a key role in bone mineralization and the regulation of calcium in bone tissue. Adequate vitamin K levels have been linked to improved bone density and a reduced risk of fractures, making this vitamin crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Vitamin K, the dark circle diminisher. This vitamin can help reduce under-eye circles, promote blood circulation, and improve skin elasticity. Vitamin K is found in a variety of foods, with vitamin K1 primarily present in leafy green vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli, while vitamin K2 is found in fermented foods, cheese, and animal products. Including these vitamin K-rich foods in your diet can help ensure you're meeting your daily requirements for this essential nutrient. In conclusion, the power to defy aging lies within the realm of vitamins. By incorporating these essential nutrients into your daily diet, you can nourish your skin, hair, and body from within, revealing a more youthful and vibrant you. Don't let time dictate your beauty. Share this video with friends and family, and together, let's embrace the transformative power of vitamins in our quest for ageless beauty. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content. Until next time, stay radiant and transform well. Thank you for watching.